Good afternoon, all of you. Today we will start the tenses. Now there is three types of tense: present tense, past and future. So today we will learn the present tense. In this tense we have there are four types of the tense, and we will see the formulas and sentences of the tense. First, present tense. There is first type of present tense is subtype is simple present tense. Simple present tense is also called to habitual present tense. And the formula of the simple present tense is subject plus V1 plus object. First example, I play hockey. I play hockey. I is subject, play is V1 or hockey is object. Second example, we run fast. Means in this tense we have to use do and does. Means he, she, it, singular form at that time use does, and when I will use the plural at that time we have to use do. So then third example of simple present tense, she goes to school, we eat a mango, we make a cake, we run fast, we study hard. Now next tense, present continuous tense. This tense is also called progressive tense or imperfect tense. The formula of the tense: subject plus am is are plus V4 plus object. Before is ing suffix. First example, now am is are. You know that there are 24 helping verbs. In helping verbs they are involving some modal auxiliaries. Am is are, was were, shall will, do does did, have has had, can could, may might must, used to need to dare to ought to should and would. Here is am is are, means present continuous. When I subject at that time use am, when he, she, it singular at that time use is, and we, you, they at that time there is a plural form use are. First example, we are going to school. Now we will see second example, he is playing cricket. He is playing cricket. Next example, we are plucking a flower. They are watching a TV. He is reading a book and she is closing a door. Third tense is present perfect tense. In this tense they use have and has. The formula of the tense is subject plus have, has plus V3 plus object. V3 means PP, past participle. Then when he, she, it is singular at that time use has, and remaining all the at that time used to have. So first example, she has written a letter. V3 from written. Write, wrote, written, writing. Now next example. Next example, he has playing a cricket. She has written a poem. We have made a cake. In this way we have completed the third tense. Now we will see the last tense, present perfect continuous tense. In this tense use the same thing, only been is going on. Have been and has been. Here is a before form. Before means ing form. Subject plus formula of the tense. Subject plus have been, has been plus before plus object. In the same way, if he, she, it, singular at that time use has been, and remaining all the at that time use have been. Means I, we, you, they, plural at that time use have been. First example, I have been speaking English. She has been writing an essay. He has been speaking English. You have been making a cake. In this way, today we will see all the four type of the tense. Means there is a present tense and there are the four subtype of the present tense. Now you have write all the things, and I hope you will understand very well, and thank you all of you.